The angle of elevation of a cliff from a fixed point is theta. After going up a distance of k meter towards the top of the cliff at an angle phi, it is found that the angle of elevation is alpha, so that the height of the cliff is k cos phi minus sin phi into cot alpha by cot theta minus cot alpha. Let it is cliff and the angle of elevation from a fixed point P to the top of the cliff is theta. It is theta. Now, after going up a distance of k meter towards the top of the cliff, means after going up k meter distance towards the top of the cliff at an angle phi, let it is k distance at an angle phi. After going up k meter distance at an angle phi, it is found that the angle of elevation is alpha. Now the angle of elevation becomes alpha, and we have to find the height of the cliff. Means we have to find AB, which is H. It is PQRS. It is 90 degree. It is also 90 degree. इस तरीके के जितने भी क्वेश्चन रहेंगे तो हमें जो भी वैल्यू प्रूव करने के लिए दी गई होगी उसी को देखते हुए हम अलग अलग ट्रायंगल्स में अलग अलग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो यूज़ करेंगे. मीन्स कॉस फाई, तो हम यहाँ पर कॉस फाई अप्लाई करेंगे, साइन फाई भी अप्लाई करेंगे, कॉट थीटा मीन्स ट्रायंगल ए पी बी में कॉट थीटा अप्लाई करेंगे, ना कि टैन थीटा. कॉट अल्फा मीन्स यहाँ पे कॉट अल्फा भी अप्लाई करेंगे. हम टैन थीटा भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कॉट थीटा से ज़्यादा इजीली तरीके से आंसर आएगा. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल let AB is the cliff and we have to find the value of AB. From a fixed point, the angle of elevation of the top of the cliff is theta. After going k meter at an angle of phi degree, the angle of elevation of the top of the cliff change into alpha. Now firstly we in triangle APB we have cot theta. कॉट थीटा हमारे प्रूविंग में दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हम कॉट थीटा अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. इक्वल बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. cot theta is this angle, means base is PB and perpendicular is AB. PB by AB, cot theta equal PB is unknown and AB is H. We have let. B equal H meter. Now first equation is cot theta into H equal PB, and PB can be written as PR plus RB. Cot theta PR plus RB. Also RB is equal to QS. It is a square. opposite sides are equal. It may be square or rectangle. RB equal QS, but opposite sides are equal. Now we have H cot theta equal PR plus QS. It is equation 1. Now in triangle QPR, we have sin phi. We have to find sin phi and cos phi. Means cos phi equal cos phi base upon hypotenuse. Base is PR and hypotenuse is PQ. The value of PQ is K. Then it is PR. Then PR equal K cos phi. Again sin phi equal perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. QR is unknown and the value of PQ is given in the question, means PQ equal K, and QR, value of QR is K sin phi. Now QR is equal to BS. QR is equal to BS. Then BS equal K sin phi. Now in triangle AQS, we have cot alpha equal, cot alpha is given in the proving statement, base upon perpendicular, QS upon AS. QS is equal to RB. QS cot alpha and AS is equal to AB minus BS, and value of BS is equal to QR. Then AS equal AB minus QR. AS is equal to AB minus BS. Value of BS is K sin phi. Then cot alpha equal QS by AB is H minus BS is K sin phi. Then the value of QS is cot alpha into H minus K sin phi. It is value of QS. Now from equation first, second and third we have, first equation is H cot theta equal PR plus qs, then h cot theta pr, value of pr from equation second we have value of pr is k cos phi, and qs from third we have qs equal cot alpha into h minus k sin phi, then it is h cot alpha minus k cot alpha into sin phi. Now transposing h cot alpha to LHS, we have h cot theta minus h cot alpha and k common, it is cos phi minus sin phi cot alpha. H common, we have cot theta minus cot alpha equal k cos phi minus sin phi cot alpha, then value of h is k into cos phi minus sin phi cot alpha by cot theta minus cot alpha, and it is answer.